That's only if you were going down. If you're on a roof, you use that. On a roof, you'll just hold that and then you walk out. So that there, if I see that, this is how I work. So if I'm doing gutter cleaning, alright, then I have that. I'm walking out near the edge, I give it a squeeze, and then I pull, and that's me scooping shit out of the gutter. And then I go, oh, okay, I need to go here, so I walk back, and then start moving out to where I need to go. And then I let go, and that's me. Okay. And that's how I work. It's nice and simple, and I just carry it, I shorten it down. Yeah, I've got a very long one. So this is only 2 meters, okay? I've got a 7 meter one in my bag as well, which means I can hook onto an anchor on a roof, and I can go out towards the gutters. But yeah, so I don't use those type of things. You know, it's always this. This is a shock absorber because it doesn't have any teeth. So the reason we know it's a shock absorber is because when you look at it, there's nothing sharp. Okay, there's nothing sharp in there. So if you shock load it, because it's smooth, it will slip. It will absorb shock. Okay? And that's just the way they are. Okay? But it's just a different version of that. You know, they're all the same. Okay? But for me, I squeeze that. No, this has instead of teeth, this one. See how when it shuts, it grabs here. So that's the same as the teeth. That pushes and grabs against here. So there's a rubbing surface just there, and that has teeth. You see? Well, it doesn't have teeth. It's got same as that. It's got tiny little ridges. Yeah. So that's how it grabs. Is that surface there, which is the same as the surface there. Yeah. But no teeth, not like that. Hey. So it's there's difference. Okay, it's still a rope grab. Okay, and just this one. So that there, it's nice and cheap. Okay, but it's also safe. And also you can climb. If you had a fall with that, you can climb back up. What the fuck? Anyway, how am I allergic to? Right, so what we want to do is we want to undo all this and we want to put the rope back in the bag. And the rope goes back in same way that I did it before. Oh.
So may say to recommend that this rope.
What's that? What's that?
It's how we can recommend that for the
I can send you some stuff to try. Like I've got second-hand stuff which you can't sell that's hanging on the wall, and I can send him down a couple of just short lengths of rope with with one of them on. Second hand, so I can't sell them, but you could try them and see what they're like. The thing is, it's so fast because you just connect, pull the slack through, and then you're leaning back. So you're not worried about having a fall. And so we'll just see, Scaffit, the scaffold company, Scaffit. Yeah, I loaned them some stuff for them to trial. Some of the guys liked it. Some of the older guys, they'll be doing it, and they're used to using the green thing, and they won't change. I've been doing it 20 years, so they won't change. But the younger guys, they went, wow, this is so much easier. Yeah, that's where you take the knot out and do that in. Right. The thing is, it's cheaper, okay, so it costs less money and it's safer. So why aren't more people doing it? And it's because no one knows about it. People don't know because the training is always with these things. People always get trained in those, which is incorrect. you're not supposed to use those unless you are 6 metres off the ground. So if you're not 6 metres high, you'll hit the ground with those. Whereas with the rope grabs, you can adjust them. Oh, you'll hit the ground with that. You'll actually hit the concrete. Before that works, you'll hit the ground. Because my height plus that off the back, I haven't even started to pull it apart yet.
We use ladder.
Yep.
We use ladder.
Because if you look at this, so if you imagine that there, so my height, so if I'm on top of that, I'm almost up there, right? Plus, I've got this. So that's this height in there, plus that, plus me. Woo! I'll hit the ground. Yep. And you can only use this one time. So if we pull out, okay, if we pull out that much, then throw it away. They'll throw it away. Whereas the rope grab, we can use it until it is worn out, like my one, the red one, which is worn. So you can use that hundreds of times. The rope, you're allowed to fall 15 times on it, but that's 15 times more than this, So yeah. Right, so same thing, you can take the knot out at the end of this and feed it just so the tail sticks out top. Okay, I'm going to grab the tail. So I'll get Jeffrey's address and I'll just make up a couple of things for you guys to try.